resolved that we should form a constituent assembly, constitution committee, headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the chairman of that committee and they framed the Constitution of India. It got ready on 26 November 1949, 1 year and 2 months before, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950. Dr. Rajendra Prasad took charge of the first president of Free India on the same day, 26 January 1950. Now, Neetu ma'am has explained a lot, so I am not repeating. Children, we got this freedom. We could draft our rules and regulations, which we call constitution. Now, what are our responsibilities? We often say that the youth of today are the architect of tomorrow's India. So what are our contributions? We had very intelligent, brilliant, dedicated people. So we could get free. We could frame our constitution. Constitution in simple words you can understand. All the duties which we should perform and all the rights that we can claim. Our constitution has drafted each and everything very clearly. So now I want to ask my youth, all of you, what do you feel? Just imagine a bird in a cage. If you give food, it will eat. If you give water, it will drink. And look at the bird who is just roaming free, can settle on any tree, can eat whatever it needs, can talk to any other bird. So this is the difference. Just imagine if we would have remained slave, that was the condition we were going to have. So we are so lucky, so fortunate that because of thousands of selfless people, they sacrificed. I visited that Jallianwala Bagh and that jail, cellular jail. So there all the stories and pictures of all the freedom fighters they have placed in museums. It's a good place to visit. So now I want to draw your attention. How do you take your India? What kind of India you want to develop after 10 years, 20 years? And when you will be fully matured, you will complete your education, you will do something for yourself, for your family, for your society, and at large for your country. So any one of you have ever thought about any dream? भगत सिंह का ड्रीम सबको मालूम है, अब्दुल कलाम का ड्रीम सबको मालूम है. I am not naming all the freedom fighters, you know कि how they sacrifice their full life, तन मन धन से. हम क्या करने वाले हैं? सोचिए, आज हमको एक आजाद देश मिल गया जिसकी सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन सब ड्राफ्ट हो चुके हैं. अब हमारी क्या ड्यूटी है? हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Any one of you who has thought, now this is the high time, class 8 to 11, that we are matured enough, we can think, हम क्या करने वाले हैं अपने देश के? Anyone? Wake up, children. Wake up. Now, first point, the silence, or I can say that you are not having any idea because you are not reading books. When we read, get ideas. When you read, you get so many new dimensions. Oh, I can do that. I should do that. How many of you want to join army? Tell me. How many of you want to become doctor? How many of you want to become architect or engineer? So that I will help my nation in constructing huge buildings, bridges, roads. Okay, now how will you be able to complete these tests where lakhs of students are appearing? How will you be selected and successful? So one thing, that zeal our leaders had, we should develop in us. Develop the zeal. एक सब लोग आज से एक सपना अपना सोचो, हमको क्या करना है, हमको क्या बनना है. Animals, they take birth, they eat, they sleep, they die. We are human beings. God has given us a well-developed brain. That brain is for thinking. So what do you think about yourself and ultimately your society? Do you want that where you are, that village should develop or it should remain like this? Say. Speak, children. I am not giving a speech, I am just talking to you. What will be your contribution in that? We always praise India's culture. We should remain rooted in our culture. We say, हमें अपनी संस्कृति नहीं भूलना चाहिए. क्या है हमारी संस्कृति? हमारे सामने हमारे बड़े आए तो हमको गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग सर, या नमस्ते या सलाम या आदाब जो भी हम कहते हैं, करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए? करना चाहिए. कितने लोग करते हैं और कितने लोग नजर घुमा लेते हैं? आज सोचिए. आप हमको रोज देखते हैं, जानते हैं, और जब आपको हम देखते हैं तो कुछ बच्चे ऐसे नजर घुमा लेते हैं कि मैम को गुड मॉर्निंग ना बोलना पड़े, टीचर को गुड मॉर्निंग ना बोलना पड़े. ये बेसिक बिहेवियर रिक्वायरमेंट इज अ मस्ट. ये हमारा कल्चर है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू, आई रिमेंबर आई सेंट अ वीडियो दैट इन जापान छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी, they not only bow every time, you know their culture, है ना? They always bow. They bow towards the machines also. I remember I sent that video on info. So I request that teachers kindly share that video with all students. छोटे छोटे बच्चे, they are crossing the road. So when the light gets green, they are bowing to machine also. Machine is there in the school for something and they are bowing to that also because that machine is helping. Machine is helping, so they are showing their gratitude. तो आज से एक चीज आप सबको सीखना है, हमको बड़ों को रिस्पेक्ट देना है. वो कैसे होती है, कैसे दिखाएंगे? विश टाइम, इसको टाइम विश करना बोलते हैं. गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, और जो भी टाइम है आप एक तो वो काम शुरू कीजिए. दूसरा, ये आपका नेशन है, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ये वाटर आप नहीं बना सकते, हम कोई नहीं बना सकते. अगर कहीं पर वेस्टेज है तो क्या करना चाहिए? उसको टैप को हमको बंद करना चाहिए, स्विच ऑफ करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए? Yesterday I went on round. Only 8th and 9th class is present in the school. Water in the washroom area. Loud noise was coming out, so though I don't want to enter, but I had to enter. I had to enter inside. Full speed पर पानी गिर रहा था. अब वो आप में से ही किसी के काम है? किसी ने वॉशरूम यूज किया, वाटर यूज किया एंड लेफ्ट इट ओपन. ये क्या है? और एवरी टाइम यू पीपल हियर वाटर इज सो स्केयर्स. We often see on TV, in the news, that lands are getting parched. there is no rain, there is no water underground, levels are going down. We should save water. We should save paper. We should save electricity. We should save time. So one thing from today we are going to, this is Constitution Day, na? Day of Constitution. So this is a rule for you. Take good care of your behavior, of manners, save required things, necessary things. During online classes, what we observe, I think most of you must be knowing that some of you misbehave with your teachers. One child played Bhojpuri Gana during class. Teacher brought and showed to us. What I say always, हमारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं, कोई गलत काम नहीं कर सकते. This is my trust. Now you tell me, ma'am, you are wrong. बोलो. Should I trust? हमारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
So when teachers are, it's not easy to take online classes. It's very difficult. We are in a village. Network नहीं है. मोबाइल में भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. But in spite of all that, they are doing their best and they are trying to teach you your lessons. They are doing that. Do you feel this? With how much difficulty they do that? Teaching in the class is much easier. Is easier than teaching online. Somebody wrote for teacher. इनसे अच्छा तो मैं पढ़ा दूंगा. Maybe, लेकिन लिखना नहीं चाहिए. आप बिल्कुल पढ़ा सकते हैं. आप कोई ऐसा काम ही नहीं है जो आप ना कर सकते हो. ये मेरी थिंकिंग है, पर्सनल थिंकिंग. एवरी वर्क इज पॉसिबल. बस मुझे सोचना है कि मुझे करना क्या है और मुझे उसके लिए एफर्ट करना. फर्स्ट डिसाइड एंड देन इम्प्लीमेंट. उसके लिए बस आप रात दिन एक कर दीजिए. देन कम्स योर हेल्थ. आर्मी के टेस्ट के लिए जाओगे और आंखें ही कमजोर निकली तो होगा क्या? सेलेक्ट हो जाओगे? हो जाएंगे? वो तो ऐसे भी नापते हैं, अगर वो भी आधा इंच कम है तो आप रिजेक्ट हो जाते हैं. आपको मालूम है किस तरह से टेस्ट होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
अब सोच लीजिए, आपकी आई साइट अगर वीक हुई तो आप रिजेक्ट हो जाएंगे. आप कहाँ से दुश्मन पर निशाना लगाएंगे जब आपकी आंखें कमजोर? मोबाइल बहुत अच्छी इन्वेंशन थी, लेकिन हम लोगों ने उसका मिसयूज कर रखा. आज से आप सब अच्छे बच्चे अपने आप से प्लेज कीजिए. ओनली फॉर द टाइम, लिमिटेड टाइम व्हेन द लेसन इज रिक्वायर्ड, आई विल सी मोबाइल. आफ्टर दैट नथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. होल लाइफ इज देयर. पास क्लास 12, pay attention to your studies. Get successful. आज से कोई अपना एक ड्रीम बनाओ, वो अपनी कॉपी पर ऊपर लिखो, I want to become this, and then put your efforts. उसके लिए आपको 8 hours की स्टडी चाहिए या 12 hours की चाहिए, वो आपको सोचो. So then only when we will pay attention to our education, our health, our behavior, our culture, then only we will be able to draft or transform our India of tomorrow. कितने लोग सोचते हैं कि कल का इंडिया आज से भी और बहुत अच्छा हो? कौन कौन सोचता है ऐसे? कौन बनाएगा? कौन बनाएगा? इतना हल्के से हम बनाएंगे? कौन बनाएगा?
हम बनाएंगे.
कैसे बनाएंगे? सारी अच्छी बातों को फॉलो करें. राइट? थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन. मे गॉड ब्लेस.